For centuries, we've known Earth as a sphere. Ancient cultures used geometry, a tool for understanding shapes, to prove this. Geometry helps us understand the relationship between points, lines, and shapes. By observing the world around them, these early scholars used geometry to demonstrate Earth's spherical nature. These discoveries, made long ago, laid the foundation for our modern understanding of the planet. These early astronomers and mathematicians used simple observations and geometric principles. Their work provided clear evidence that we live on a sphere, not a flat plane. One compelling piece of evidence for a round Earth is how ships appear on the horizon. As a ship sails away from us, it doesn't simply get smaller and smaller. Instead, it gradually disappears hull first, with the mast visible longest. This happens because the Earth's curvature obscures the hull first. Imagine an ant walking on an orange. As it goes over the curve, you'd see less and less of it. This is a simple geometric concept that demonstrates the Earth's curvature. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon. During this event, the Earth casts a shadow on the Moon. The shape of this shadow is always circular, regardless of Earth's orientation. If the Earth were flat, its shadow would be elongated, not round. The consistently round shadow we observe during lunar eclipses is further geometric proof of Earth's spherical shape. Despite overwhelming evidence, some still cling to the idea of a flat Earth. Their claims often ignore basic geometry. For example, they might argue that we don't fall off the bottom of Earth. However, gravity pulls everything towards Earth's center, regardless of location. This explains why people on the opposite side of the globe don't fall off. Geometry and physics work together to explain our world, and they consistently point to a round Earth.